He's freighted, man. Every once in a while you go on TikTok. You don't mind having a camera rolling, do you? Just for the customer. Hell yeah. Dude, I'm liking that. John, have you seen a KTM street bike yet? Yeah, check this out. Very nice. Yeah, so we're interested in this beta, but this KTM is nice. So Monday morning, bike's getting delivered already. Got a guy from TikTok that actually sent us a beta and turned it into a trike. So head's looking a little shiny in this sunlight here. But pretty excited. Been wanting to work on one of these for a while. That's gonna be sick. Yep, that'll be cool. That will be cool. I like the colors. Pretty sick.
Very open.
Nothing but Italian bikes lately, I guess. Yeah, this is sick. It's gonna be a trike. Yeah, he saw us at TikTok. Saw us at TikTok, right? It's awesome. That's why we hit up all platforms, trying to get our stuff out there. Is he going like OEM style color scheme? Like, we'll color match everything? Okay, cool. I actually really like the style of this. Very cool. That's awesome. Yeah, we got nothing but 2-strokes lately. It's awesome though. They actually put a decent angle on the tank too for lining up the ATV seat. It's not as flat as the newer KTMs, so that's sweet. Hell yeah.
300?
Yep, 300. Cool. Excited to see what we can do with it.
Maybe give you nice little handles to lift the bike up.
Yeah, right.
It's snazzy.
Yeah, we haven't done a Bvctrike yet, so pretty pumped on that. Dude, you can tell it's not counterbalanced. Give it gas, it rolls. Dude, it's like walking across the floor over here. I'm assuming this thing's not counterbalanced. Comment if it is, but I don't think it is. Can't be. Unless it just likes to roll backwards when you rev it. Either way, it's a cool bike. It's gonna make a sick trike. Pretty excited. If you guys like 2-strokes, got the CR coming up next after this. Stay tuned for the CR. This will probably be, I'd say tomorrow, start assembly on it. This thing just got here, so we're gonna get this bike torn down. Got a lot of 2-stroke builds coming. We're doing another KTM 300 coming up. It's gonna be my personal bike. It's gonna get done. Yeah, pretty pumped. We just, like I said, nothing but 2-strokes. YZ250. Just got a 500 motor in. This may or may not be getting stuffed into a brand new chassis 2022. We'll see. Yeah, guys, comment. Let me know what you think of these Italian bikes. I think they're pretty sick. Not sure if this is counterbalance or not. Could be. Definitely vibrates a little bit more than the KTM 300, but it's cool having them in here both at the same time. Definitely excited to see what happens. But really nice bike. I'm impressed with how it's made. Kind of neat how they have a release for the seat right here. Just push a button in. I don't know if you guys already know that. Apologize, but I'm excited about it. Oil injection. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty damn cool. Really nice quality. Really nice quality. I like how they mounted the CDI box up here instead of back under the seat. Just a nice spot. Might as well have it there out of the way. Yeah, anybody that has this bike, comment. Let me know what you think. What do you think? What do you think of it? How do you like the power? Just curious what you guys think. There, guys. On to the next video.